Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'm gonna show you the trick in case the shift on your keyboard it doesn't work when you would like to do the free transform of the picture that you put here. So stay tuned and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, here I will give you the example and I will start to import the picture first from my gallery or from my device. So you need to direct or navigate your cursor into this section, which is the project, and give the right click, import, and go to this file. And after that you can start to select the picture that you would like to put into this composition or this blank page, I would say. For instance, I will choose this picture and click open. And after that you can start to click this object, hold it and drag it into this section. Well guys, basically if you would like to make this picture fit into this background, so usually can use the combination of shift and also transform the size of this picture by clicking this corner. For example, if I press the shift first and click this corner, you'll see this picture won't move anywhere and doesn't show the transform. And how to solve it? Well guys, the trick is you need to select this picture first and click this corner, click this, hold it and press the shift together, and after that you can start to drag it until it is fit to the background. Perfect. So this will be the trick that you can use to make sure this picture gonna be fit into this background, guys. And what if I don't press the shift, guys? Well, you can still do the free transform. However, the picture will not precise as the previous shape before. It can be moved or it can be transformed like this or like this. So you gotta do the combination with the shift properly, and I will repeat it for you again. So you gotta click this corner first, click it and hold it, and after that all together you need to press the shift, and you can start to move this cursor and drag it until it is fit to the background like this. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.